Let's throw these on. Those big old boys. Looking nice. Make a chili, ground bison. The reason why we use bison because it has higher protein, less fat content, and we believe it has more flavor. We added the onion, sweat out with the bison. We added the roasted smoked poblano. All right, we added our chili spices from Fire and Smoke Society. Look how delicious that looks. Diced tomatoes. Some tomato sauce. And my favorite, tomato paste. Last but not least, beef broth. We're gonna let this come to a boil, remove it from the heat, get a nice little simmer. It's gonna go to the grill to be smoked. All right, y'all, moved outside through 2 handfuls of this Acadian oak. Let this smoke start billowing. Chili's going on. Cracked it just a little bit. I want some of that smoke flavor in it, but I don't want to lose all the juices. 20 to 25 minutes. Smoked bison chili.